Frederic Revah, hello.
Hello. Well, it means a lot. Rare Disease Day is a day to reflect on our accomplishments. They're numerous. There's one product today on the market for spinal muscular atrophy, which is based on our works. There's 12 products which are today in clinical trials for different rare disorders. There are 7 products that will enter the clinic within 3 years. But Rare Disease Day is also mostly the time to reflect on the challenges that are ahead of us. And there are many. 90% of the rare diseases have no therapeutic option. Well, we want to be treating more patients with more products. In fact, we want to be able to deploy gene therapy for all patients and all pathologies that can benefit from it. Well, there are different challenges. We want to be developing novel vectors, even more efficient, safe, that can be manufactured at a lower cost, because we know that the cost of manufacturing is a limiting factor today. There's the question also of finding the financial resources, because as you know, many of these diseases have no commercial model, and we have to find a way to develop these drugs even for those patients for which there would be no return on investment. And then finally, there's also the question of the final price for the payers. And really, we have to be able to contain the prices so it is not a limitation for patient access. Well, first, we have to continue to invest very ambitiously in innovation. Innovation to develop new vectors, to develop new technologies, and to bring down the cost of manufacturing with disruptive innovation here also, because manufacturing clearly is a key limiting factor for patient access. I think the second important point is that all stakeholders have to agree to maintain and to keep the prices for the end payer at a reasonable level. Otherwise, patients will not, again, access those drugs. Third point is for all these pathologies for which there is no viable commercial model, and there are many, but that could benefit from gene therapy, we have to put in place creative initiatives between pharma companies, public institutions, not-for-profit organizations, in order to carry the weight of the development and bring those drugs to patients. There'll be a win-win result, really, because of course it will benefit the patients, but it will also allow to develop technologies that will be usable for more frequent disorders.